guys, I hope you all are doing good. Finally, I'm here to share with you guys my top 5 favorite perfumes. Okay, so let's get into it. This means a lot to me. I just want you guys to know that because I love smelling good. I love making a statement. I love the fact that a girl comes to me and she asks me, ki, yaar, you smell amazing. What perfume is that? What perfume are you wearing? And just happened to me like day before yesterday when I was shooting. I was like, girl, let me tell you, it's this one. Please take a picture. And I love doing that. The first one that I'm going to show you guys today is, I feel like a lot of people already know about this, but this particular one is something that people don't know about much. This one is called Gypsy Water from Byredo. And मैं इसको ना एकदम सिंपल तरीके से बोलना चाहूँगी. It's that fresh laundry type fragrance, you know, like just coming out of the shower, very fresh, citrusy, lemon, bergamot, all those notes. I love wearing it in the summer especially because I feel like, you know, you need that sort of citrusy vibe and you need when you're going for a lunch or, you know, you're sitting by the ocean or something like that. Can I just squint it 1 second? Sorry. Always hits. तो सेकंड वाला जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे ये वाला है. दिस इज फ्रॉम BDK परफ्यूम्स पेरिस एंड इट्स कॉल्ड रूज स्मोकिंग. आई मीन मैं पेरिस में शॉपिंग करी थी अपने पापा के साथ एंड वी वर लुकिंग फॉर परफ्यूम्स एंड देयर वाज दिस लेडी एंड आई जस्ट टोल्ड हर दैट आई वांट दिस पर्टिकुलर परफ्यूम एंड शी इज लाइक ओके बट आई फील लाइक यू शुड ट्राई दिस वन. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है यार, बेचने की कोशिश कर रही है मुझे, कोई नहीं, देख लेते हैं, खरीदूंगी तो नहीं मैं. पर फिर उसने मुझे ये वाला परफ्यूम बताया, BDK परफ्यूम्स. नाउ आई हैड सीन BDK परफ्यूम्स समवेयर एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली वोटेड द नंबर 1 परफ्यूम in US, but a different scent of it, and which was for men. So I was like, okay, I've not heard about this, but let me try it. I'm like, okay, this is like very much like a smoky plus rose plus like it's got a lot of notes and it's really something different जो मैंने आज तक मतलब कभी smell नहीं किया था. So she's like कि ये पेरिस की जो स्पेशली लड़कियाँ हैं, they love wearing it when they're going for clubbing and night outs. Like they feel like this is like them when they're going, you know, for a night out with their girls and, you know, having fun. Actually, this is what it smelled like to me. And when I wore it, it was so nice and it was so strong and I just loved it. I was like, I have to get this. And if all the girls in Paris are wearing this, I'm gonna wear it too. And it actually smells like, I don't know, it smells like roses and smoke mixed together to me. And that really is like a night scent. मतलब अगर मैं पार्टी पे जा रही हूँ या कोई, you know, फ्रेंड्स के साथ क्लबिंग पे जा रही हूँ या कोई डिनर पे जा रही हूँ, तो I need that strong scent. So this is what I wear. Rouge Smoking by BDK. The third one I would love to show you guys is, okay, ये बॉटल काफ़ी मैंने ख़त्म कर दी है, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा महंगा परफ्यूम है मेरे कलेक्शन में. बाय द वे सच में होल हो गया था पॉकेट में का इतने टाइप के. और मैंने इसका एक्चुअली बॉडी वॉश भी ख़रीदा था साथ में, द सेम फ्रेग्रेंस, द सेम सेंट, एंड वो बॉडी वॉश मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया है, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था. बट दोनों साथ में मिला के बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था उस टाइम पे. बट आई लव इट. आई डोंट रिग्रेट बाइंग इट एट ऑल. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. I especially love wearing it with Indian, whenever I'm wearing Indian, like अगर कोई मैं event पे जा रही हूँ Indian पहन के, तब मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा इस पे compliments आते हैं because this is literally what it says right here, Carnal Flower. It is like that. It's like very flowery, very fresh and very floral, you know, very girly perfume I can say. But actually this is a unisex perfume, like guys love wearing it too, which is damn cool I feel. ये मैंने खरीदा था दुबई में I think, और the name of this perfume is Dominique Ropion Carnal Flower Editions by Frederic Malle. And Carnal Flower is, I think, that second best selling perfume. First one is, which a lot of people I think now know about, is Portrait of a Lady. It's like one of the best perfumes in the world. But मुझे था कि यार खरीद तो मैं लूँगी पर ये बहुत सारे लोग ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो आई वाज लाइक कि इसी ब्रांड में इसी बंदे का मुझे परफ्यूम चाहिए पर दूसरा कुछ, you know, सेंट चाहिए. एंड आई लव दिस वन. So Dominique Ropion actually is one of the best perfume nose in the world. That really got me excited. I was like, yeah, he knows his game. Like he knows what he's doing. So let me get that. So that's why. And it's very floral and very like girly. So if you want to buy this, just know that it's like very feminine. So but I love it. Okay, let me show you this one. This is a brand that not a lot of people know about. It's Penhaligon's Impressa. Whenever I was traveling to the UK, always people used to tell me that you should try Penhaligon's, the people there. And I was like, यार मैंने ना ज़्यादा सुना नहीं है इस ब्रांड के बारे में, सस्ती खरीदूँ या नहीं खरीदूँ, और महंगा बहुत है तो इतना सारा इन्वेस्ट कर दूँ या नहीं. When I smelled it the first time, I was like, listen, I need something that is very fresh and very, very summer in a bottle. So she was like, okay, I know what you mean. Just let me come here. Then she showed me this one called Impressa by Penhaligon's. I feel that this is like one of the most like fresh fragrance that I have smelled. मतलब gypsy water से भी ज़्यादा fresh लगता है मुझे. It's genuinely summer in a bottle. I feel like whenever I'm going for a vacation, beachside, Maldives, Mykonos, something, तो मैंने वहाँ पे ये perfume ज़्यादा मतलब I've worn this perfume there. 2-3 sprays of it is like enough. Like if you're going somewhere, even अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो, sun में जा रहे हो, it'll last that long to you. I don't know the notes perfectly, but when I smell it, I feel like it's summer in a bottle. So, fifth one and the last one is this Chotu. But this Chotu is really powerful Chotu. Like, इसका एक scent है which is I think called Baccarat Rouge, and a lot of girls, I mean Dubai, literally, like that's Dubai for me. हर लड़की के पास है वो perfume. This brand specially, I feel like is one of the most long-lasting brands out there. Like मैंने बहुत smell किए, पर Baccarat Rouge also, for that matter, I feel like stays on the body for a really long time. But this one specially, this is called Grand Soir, and this is from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. पता नहीं क्या Maison Francis Kurkdjian Paris. I hope that I'm saying it right. क्योंकि यार आजकल ऐसे होता है सब लोग को बकरा चूज पहनना है, कोई नहीं, ठीक है, उतना ही होता है, इतना पूरा कोई पड़ता नहीं है. But I feel like this one for me is that perfect scent, much better than Baccarat Rouge. I know this is gonna create some havoc in the comments, but I feel like for me this is beautiful, and it smells like royalty to me. I feel whenever I'm wearing it, it's mostly in Dubai only. Whenever I'm dressing up, I'm like, this is my scent. Dubai wala perfume hai ekdam. This is more royal, more vanilla, more amber notes, more sophisticated, and I love wearing it in the night especially. It feels amazing on my body. And I feel like whenever I'm going for a dinner or going out with friends, this is that strong perfume that I need that will last me like the whole night. Whenever you want to get asked कि यार आपने कौन सा perfume पहना है, please मुझे बताओ, please. So this is that perfume for me, Grand Soir. So guys, these were my top 5 most favorite perfumes, and I have a very exciting news for you guys. I'm starting a new series that's called Avneet Recommends. So this is going to be very exciting for me, and I would love to recommend you guys or tell you guys about my favorites. And comment section में जाके please जाइए और बताइए next video आपको कौन सी देखनी है, and I would love to do that. So thank you so much for watching, and let's start this new journey together.